Tech tip: overlapping regions. When entering report regions, sectional areas, and stripping areas, it is important to avoid overlapping the areas. If regions overlap, this will cause an issue totaling the correct areas and volumes for the regions, resulting in incorrect volumes. One indication regions are overlapping is a negative value for either cut or fill. If the volume of cut or fill is negative, there must be regions overlapping. There are a couple ways to find the overlapping regions. In Edit mode, select the Report Regions layer and press Alt-V on the keyboard to display only the report regions. And one way to find the overlapping regions is to view the hatch regions. Select Display Hatch Regions or press Alt-F on the keyboard. If regions overlap, there will be multiple patterns within the overlap. In this example, we can see the phase regions overlap the paving area. Either delete or re-enter the regions so there is no overlap. Another method is to use region selection. Select View, Region Selection. This will list all the regions and display regions inside one another indented under the parent region. If there are regions that show being inside or outside one another, but are not completely inside or outside the other, this will cause an error in the calculations. Again, delete or re-enter the regions. Another condition that may cause an issue is a region that is intended to be excluded. However, the line direction causes an issue in calculating the volumes. For example, if you want to exclude the islands in the paving area by going in and around the island, it is important to maintain the correct line direction when going around the island. If you are entering the outer region in a clockwise direction, when you trace around the island, you must go in a counterclockwise direction. If you enter the island clockwise, the island will not be deducted correctly. It is recommended to enter the outer region completely around the outside and enter the islands as separate regions, and the islands will be deducted correctly.